It's finally here. Finally got a new GPU. It's been over, gosh, I don't even know. I think 10 years now. My latest piece right now, it still has a 1070, and we're finally upgrading. Now, this is gonna be a temporary one because I actually want a 5090, but I am not paying like near $3,000 for a 5090, so that's not gonna happen. And I'm not spending around $1,500 for a 5080. So instead, I went down to a 5070 Ti, which I'm about to do an unboxing video. And I decided to go, as you can see here, 5070 Ti ROG STRIX. Not no Astro. Astro's only 50, 80, and 90. I'm not gonna lie, I totally forgot they still do the STRIX, but only for the 5070 versions. So look at this. Alright, so I already opened this Amazon box before just to check on it, and I'm not gonna lie, I am a bit disappointed on something here. So it looks nice right here, but look at the sides here. This is how it got shipped. I just got it. Let me see if I can show it. Actually, let me take it all out. Alright, we're back. I think this is a better angle. Alright, so look at here. Look how this was shipped. Look at this, man. It's all ripped up. And look at this. Like, why? Why did Amazon do this? Everywhere else is nice. Just right here at the end looks all. Look at it, all damaged. I'm so upset because I do plan on keeping this box right here. I'm a little. I don't know. I'm a little disappointed by this. My mood did go a little down, but hey, I still got a new GPU. Okay, and it looks nice. We're about to open it right now. And I got these. Oh, can you get these gloves? Jeez. All right, let's open it up to make sure that it's like they didn't like open it or something, or hasn't been used. So let's make sure it's actually brand new. Should be brand new. It's a brand new GPU I got from Amazon. So let's open this up. All right. There we go. All right. Let's look what we got here. Like, please don't be somehow already opened. I'm trying to make sure I don't rip this box even more. All right, leave it like that. All right, it does look new. I'm not gonna lie. Let's look at it. Oh my god, it looks nice though. Yeah, it looks. I think it's fine. It's fine. Well, make sure my doesn't break my screen. All right, monitor screen. All right, we got here. Choosh. Asus. Let's reopen it. Oh, just a thank you card. Thank you for purchasing an Asus graphics card. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Choosh. Quick start guide. And we got us. Ooh, this looks nice. A ruler. Okay, I'll see that. Jeez. I like it. I am going to keep it in the box though. I'm not going to actually use it. Alright, let's look. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, this is my first time ever. Oh, I don't want to actually like somehow damage it. Oh, look at that. Oh, hold up. Hold up. Before we open this bad boy, let's make sure to look at everything else. What we got here? Oh, so power connectors, I believe. Then what is this? I have. Oh, it's like a little. Ah. Like. What's this? Is this a? I don't want to open it. I want to. Stuff like this I always keep with all my products. I always keep still in the package. The only thing I might open is this right here. This is, we call it a, oh no, come out here. Oh, a GPU holder. Now this I might use. Cheers. Yeah, but look at this. Oh, let's open this bad boy up. Oh, make sure I don't break nothing. I'm putting a little too much pressure on it. I just feel it. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh my god, it smells factory new. Yep, I like it already. Oh, it's so big too. I mean, I know for sure the 5090 is way bigger, but this is, for me, this is a big car. Just look at it compared to my hands. Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks so nice. Oh, look at, oh, yep. Look at that. Oh, let me see. Don't want to do anything else. Cheers. So we got what? 3 DPIs, 2 HDMIs. Or what did I say? DPI display ports. Not bad. It looks nice and clean. I like it. All right, we're not gonna take off the plastic yet because the next thing I'm gonna do with this, I'm building a new PC, which this is just an unboxing video. I just wanna show it and also look at it, make sure it's not like used or something, which it doesn't look like it. I mean, there's some marks on it, but I think that's just like no more residue. Hopefully, it looks brand new. I'm pretty sure it's brand new. It looks fine to me. All right. So this is my new GPU. In actuality, this is gonna be my temporary GPU. I mean, if the 5090 for some reason, if the 5090 somehow gets cheaper, then I'm gonna get 5090. But if it's still gonna be the high price, then I'm gonna wait for the 5080 Super. Because I don't want to get a new graphics card with 16 gigabytes of RAM. I've been waiting for what, like 10 years? Are you kidding me right now? 16 gigabytes of RAM? Of VRAM. And this one right here has 16 gigabytes, the TI, so that's why I went down. Also because I had a 1070, so I feel like if I wanted, like, if I was gonna get something, at the least it would be a 5070, but I did not want a regular 5070 because that one I think has, I forgot, I think it was 12 gigs of VRAM, which no, we're at least gonna get 16, so TI was the next step. And with my PC, I was going all out. I have a 9800 X3D. I also bought a Crosshair Hero motherboard. Like, I really went all the way out with this. So I wanted, like, if I was gonna get a TI, I was gonna get a 5070. I was gonna go high end, which I believe this is pretty much the high end right here, ROG STRIX. And also, I like the colors on it from the pictures. Also, the pictures, it looks clean. I can't wait to put this on my new PC and see how it looks turned on. Alright, so hopefully when the 5080 Super comes out, it does not cost like $2,000. If it does, then there's a good chance I might actually still keep using this. I just pray they don't make it a very high price too. But I'm gonna try to get a 5080 Super if I can. If it's retail, low retail, like around 1,000. I mean, a bit higher. I might a bit higher, but not like over 1,600. I'm not buying a 5080 Super if that's gonna be the case. Alright, next video, we're gonna build my PC. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I mean, I plan on doing the video. Hopefully I do. There's a chance that maybe I won't. Right? I'm not gonna lie, this was kind of difficult to record right now because I kind of ripped the, you guys saw earlier, ripped the box open because the way that my phone camera is like this, like, I barely have any space. So I don't know, I'm gonna try to do a video of me building that PC. If not, then I'll at least showcase it, best case. But for now, I'm gonna put this bad boy back, and I plan on building a PC not tomorrow, but the next day, because I'm still waiting for my CPU cooler. So once that comes, then we're gonna start building my new PC. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, you kind of enjoyed just a quick unboxing video, just showing you the 5070 Ti ROG STRIX. I'm not gonna lie, it looks nice. Seeing it right now. Oof, I like it. All right, well, till then, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys watch my PC build. Hopefully I actually do the video. If I don't, I'm sorry. I'm planning on posting that at least a week after this video post. Hopefully. Alright, well, until then, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.